Paul, can I ask you something personal?
Sure. What is it?
Why do people know English but still feel nervous talking during Valentine week?
Because emotions make people forget words.
Exactly. And what if I told you that Valentine week is actually the best time to practice real, natural English?
Really?
Yes, because when emotions are real, language becomes real too. And today, we'll show you how to talk through Valentine Week 2026 in easy, confident English, without fear.
People don't just want English for exams.
They want English for connection. To say, I like you. I care about you. You matter to me.
But they're scared of sounding awkward.
Yes, because schools never teach emotional English. They teach grammar, not feelings. By the end of this video, you'll know how to greet someone in Valentine Week, how to give simple compliments, how to express care without being dramatic, how to sound natural, not cheesy.
In easy English,
Very easy English.
you don't need romantic English.
You need honest English. Native speakers don't use big words for love. They use simple words, calm tone, real feeling. This is not a lecture.
This is practice.
Listen first, then repeat softly. No pressure, no perfection.
Just let the sentences feel normal.
Valentine week isn't just one day.
It's a whole week of moments.
Small messages, small conversations, small emotions.
And English fits perfectly here.
Let's start with Rose Day. You don't need poetry. You can simply say, I got this for you.
Very simple.
Or, this made me think of you.
That sounds natural.
Because it is.
Why do simple sentences feel stronger?
Because the brain trusts simplicity. Complex language feels fake. Simple language feels honest. Repeat this softly. This is for you.
No stress, just feel it.
Now, Propose Day scares many people.
They think it means a big proposal.
It doesn't. You can say, I like spending time with you.
That's safe and warm.
Or, I feel comfortable with you. Comfort is more attractive than drama.
And English should feel comfortable too.
Repeat with me. I like talking to you. I enjoy your company.
Slow, natural. Notice something important.
These sentences are not only for Valentine week.
They're for real life.
That's why they work. And we're just getting started.
Because the next days,
Chocolate Day, Teddy Day, Promise Day.
they need a different kind of English.
More warmth, more trust, more connection.
Chocolate Day sounds simple, but people still get confused.
Because they think they need fancy English.
But they don't.
Not at all. You can just say, I know you like this.
That already feels personal.
Exactly. Or, I thought you'd enjoy this.
That sounds caring, not dramatic.
Chocolate Day is not about chocolate.
Then what is it about?
It's about attention. When you say, I know you like this, you're saying, I notice you.
And that creates connection.
Yes, people feel closer when they feel seen. Repeat softly. I thought of you.
That sentence works everywhere. Teddy Day feels a bit awkward for adults.
Only if you overthink it. You don't need to say cute things. You can say, this reminded me of you.
That's safe and warm.
Or, I wanted you to have something comforting.
Why does comfort matter so much?
Because comfort tells the brain, I'm safe here. And when people feel safe, they open up.
So English that creates safety is powerful.
Very powerful. Repeat. This is for you. I hope this makes you smile.
No pressure, just feeling. Promise Day feels serious.
It is, but it doesn't need heavy words. Promise Day is about reliability, not romance.
So what should people say?
Simple things like, I'll be there for you.
That's strong.
Or, you can count on me. Promises work when they sound believable.
Not exaggerated.
Exactly. Big promises feel risky. Small promises feel real. Repeat slowly. I'll do my best. I won't disappear.
Those feel honest. Hug Day is more about action than words.
Yes, but words can still help. You can say, "This feels nice,"
Very natural.
or "I needed this." When emotions are strong, fewer words feel more genuine.
So silence plus simple English works.
Yes. Repeat. I feel better now. Thank you for this.
Kiss Day makes people very nervous.
Because they worry about crossing boundaries. That's why respectful English is important. You can say, "Is this okay?"
That's powerful.
Consent sounds confident in English. Or, "I like being close to you." Respect increases attraction.
And it reduces fear.
Exactly. Good English doesn't push, it invites. Repeat. I'm comfortable with you. Tell me if you're not.
These build trust. Finally, Valentine's Day.
The most emotional day. And the biggest mistake people make?
Trying too hard.
Yes. You don't need poetry. You can say, "I'm happy you're in my life."
That's enough.
Or, "You matter to me." These sentences work because they're about presence, not performance.
They feel real.
And real English always wins.
Notice something,
All these sentences are easy.
but emotionally strong.
That's the secret. Easy English plus real feeling equals connection. Now, here's the next level.
There's more?
Yes. What about messages, texts, and daily chats during Valentine week?
That's where people panic the most.
Exactly. And that's what we'll handle next.
Anna, let's be honest. Most people don't get nervous talking face to face. They get nervous texting.
Because text has no voice, no smile, no tone. So people overthink every word. When you send a message, your brain imagines silence.
And silence feels scary.
Exactly. That's why people send long messages or too many messages,
What's the biggest mistake people make?
trying to explain too much. Text messages should feel light, not heavy.
So short is better.
Almost always. Here are some easy texts that work every day of Valentine week. No drama, no pressure. Hope your day is going well.
That feels calm.
Yes, it shows care without demand. I was thinking about you.
Simple, powerful.
Because it doesn't ask for anything. This made me smile.
That invites curiosity.
Exactly. These messages do one thing. They open a door.
They don't push someone through it.
Yes, good English invites. Bad English pressures.
Timing matters, right?
More than words. The same sentence can feel sweet or annoying.
Depending on timing.
Exactly. Text when people are likely relaxed. Morning greetings, evening check-ins.
Not during busy hours.
Yes, respecting time is respecting the person. Morning text. Good morning. Hope you slept well.
Warm and simple.
Evening text. Hope you had a good day.
Let's talk about what people should avoid.
Good idea. Avoid sentences that create pressure, like, "Why didn't you reply?"
That sounds stressful.
Or, "You never text first."
That feels accusatory.
They trigger defense. The brain hears blame, not care.
And connection closes.
Exactly. Instead of blaming, say, "No worries, just checking in."
That feels kind.
Or, "Talk whenever you're free."
So emotional safety is attractive.
Very. People come closer when they feel free. During Valentine week, daily chat matters more than big messages. You can say, "How was your day?"
Classic.
Classic because it works. Or, "Anything interesting happened today?" Questions show interest.
Without pressure.
Yes, they invite sharing. Repeat. How are you feeling today? What made you happy today?
These are gentle. What if there's no reply?
Silence is not rejection. Sometimes it's just life.
So don't panic.
Never panic in English. Calm English sounds confident.
Notice something again,
All these sentences are easy.
but emotionally smart.
That's the goal. Now comes the most important part.
What's that?
How to close Valentine week in English without awkwardness.
The ending matters.
A lot.
Anna, most people focus so much on Valentine week itself, but they don't think about how it ends.
And that's a big mistake, because endings create lasting impressions.
The last feeling stays the longest.
Exactly. Psychologically, the brain remembers the beginning and the ending more than anything in between.
What do people fear most at the end of Valentine week?
Silence. They think, now what? Did I do enough? Did I say too much?
So anxiety comes back.
Yes, unless you handle it correctly. You don't need a dramatic sentence. You don't need a big declaration. You can say something simple like, I really enjoyed this week.
That sounds calm.
And calm sounds confident. Or, I liked spending time with you. These sentences do not demand anything. They simply share a feeling.
So the other person doesn't feel trapped.
Exactly. Freedom increases attraction. Pressure kills it. Repeat softly. I'm glad we talked more. This week felt nice.
Very natural. What if one person feels more than the other?
That happens often, and English can help here too. Instead of blaming, say, I understand if you need time.
That feels mature.
Or, no pressure, just wanted to be honest. Maturity tells the brain, this person is safe.
And safety builds trust.
Always. Repeat. Take your time. I respect how you feel.
These reduce tension. What if Valentine week ends and nothing continues?
That's okay too. You can say, it was nice talking with you.
That feels complete.
Yes, closure doesn't mean failure. It means emotional clarity. Unclear endings create stress. Clear endings create peace.
And peaceful English feels confident.
Exactly. Here are a few final sentences that work anytime. I wish you well. I appreciate your honesty. Thank you for being kind.
These are respectful.
And respect stays remembered.
Notice something important now.
We never use difficult English.
But we handle difficult emotions.
That's the real skill.
So good English is not about impressing.
It's about expressing
And listening.
and respecting. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Simple English and honest emotion is more powerful than perfect English.
You don't need to perform.
You just need to be real,
This was EasyLingo Talks.
where English feels human. Speak simply, feel honestly, and let English support you, not stress you.